Here's the app called Funny Emoji Custom My Emojis. It's this app getting some nice ratings and change your launch wallpaper. And for example, if you wanna have some your personal emojis which you created yourself, this is the app to do that. Let's just take a quick look at it so you can decide if you wanted to use this app or there are also some alternatives. So here it is, continue, and then there is a 3-day free trial. But let's just see if there is a
Truth detector. Have you ever had a girlfriend?
Yes, I have.
It is, but there are
Detector.
a lot of
Truth
annoying
detector.
ads here right away. So here it is, and then you just tap on funny emoji, and then, for example, you have live emoji, and then you can just download it, as I see here. Then there is emojis, and there is show, and then there is custom emojis. So you can tap on custom, and you have different. So then you just kind of can build it like this, or just, for example, you have this emoji, and then you just see it here. All right, and then actually,
This is an app
you
that
don't
you'll
need to
never
upgrade.
delete
You
off
just
your
need
phone.
to watch
Change
another
anyone's
ad.
text messages to say anything
so
you
I'm just
want.
showing
Now,
you,
they won't
like,
remember saying it, but the proof is right there. So
Like it is. Um, and then you just have it here, and then yeah, you can just share and save it to your save as an image. You can assign to your contact, save to files. So yeah, you just send it, or you can just basically that's the idea, and then you can just share it with the friends. So there you have it.